Are your apps running slower? Or are you seeing error messages? It might be time for an update. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily update all the apps on your Android phone. This option not only improves performance but also enhances the security of your apps. If you want your phone to run smoothly, stay with me. So here's how to do it. To start, the first thing you need to do is locate the GooglePlayStore app and open it right away. Once you're in the Google Play Store on the home screen, tap the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with options. In the menu that appears, you'll see several options. Find the one labeled Manage Apps and Device and tap it to open. When you're on the Manage Apps and Device page, locate the tab called Updates Available and tap it to see a list of apps with available updates. In this section, you will see a list of apps ready for updating. To update an individual app, find it on the list and tap the Update button next to it. If you want to update all the apps at once, simply tap the Update All button. Your phone will automatically download and install the latest versions of the apps. It's important to note that the update process may take a few minutes, depending on the number of apps and the speed of your internet connection. It is recommended to connect to a Wi-Fi network to avoid additional mobile data charges. Once the updates are complete, your apps will be ready to use in their best versions, with new features and improved security. Regularly updating your apps ensures better performance and compatibility with your Android phone, so make sure to repeat this process from time to time. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon.